How to give Robux to friends on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Roblox application. Then, you will need to create a game pass in order to send or give Robux to your friends using Roblox mobile. After your game is launched and you are in this space, simply go to More from your bottom right corner. Now, you will see an option of Create. Tap on it, wait for this to load, and then what you will have to do is create a game pass and send it to your friends. After that, you will be able to send Robux to your friends. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.